guys! So today I'm going to be doing a review of my slime that I've handmade. I'm going to be showing you guys what I've actually did. So this is like a Hubba Bubba chewy bubblegum slime. It has a scent that is bubblegum, and yeah, we'll be doing a review. So the way I made this is I had a PVA slime. It was a glossy one that was this colour. It's a bit lighter in real life, but it's just a bit dark on camera. So yeah, and what I did is I had the glossy pink slime and I took a bit off and I added some tissue in. You don't want to add too much tissue if you want to make this because it will make it hard, and then you'll have to like add a lot of lotion or a teeny bit of dish soap. So this is a really sizzly slime. To me, it looks like ice cream, and I actually made an ice cream one of this. It's basically a mint chocolate chip, and I added some clay bits that I cooked in the oven. This slime is really good, and yeah, I really think that you guys should try it out. I've got a surprise for you guys at the end of the video. That is a giveaway and another surprise. You can keep this in an airtight container to save it for later. So the surprise is that I'm doing a Coke giveaway. It was the one that I did in like a couple of videos back. Basically, I'm going to do a giveaway of like a gift card. It's going to be an Apple Store or a Google Play Store. You guys can choose. It depends on what like thing you want it on. So I'm going to do a gift card. Any gift card, but it's going to be £15 on it. So you can guys can spend whatever you want, and it's going to be like it's going to be a little surprise for you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys have a good day, and I'm going to go now. So I hope you guys have an amazing day today, and yeah, so subscribe if you're new, like this video, and turn post notifications on for more videos. And yeah, I'm going to do like a vlog today, so yeah, stay tuned for that. Bye!